सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे YouTube चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाएं लेटेस्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए।
Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam is our national leader. He is the founder of Pakistan. He was born in Karachi on December 25, 1876. He received his early education in Karachi. He passed his matriculation examination from Bombay. He was sent to England for higher studies. He passed bar at law from London and returned home in 1896. He started practice in Bombay. Soon, he won a name as a lawyer. He joined the Indian National Congress. He was the champion of Hindu-Muslim unity. But the attitude of the Hindus discouraged him. So, he left the Congress and joined the Muslim League. He fought for the rights of the Muslims and was called the Quaid-e-Azam by them. The Muslims of India stood behind him. After a hard and long struggle, Pakistan came into being on August 14, 1947. He became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He worked day and night. He died on September 11, 1948. He was a true Muslim. He loved Pakistan. May his soul rest in peace. Ameen.